Let's talk about the next. For oxidation bond, the detention time is usually 2 to 6 weeks. Organic loading generally more than 1000 kilogram hectare per day. BOD removal up to 99%. Coliform remove is up to 99%. Of above statement is correct statement. तो कौन सा आएगा इसके अंदर? डिटेंशन टाइम यूजली 2 to 6 वीक होता है, पहला सही होगा, दूसरा गलत होगा, तीसरा सही होगा, बीओडी रिमूवल अप टू 99%, चौथा भी सही होगा। ठीक है, तो ऑक्सीडेशन पॉइंट के बारे में बात करते हैं। तो जो इसका डिटेंशन टाइम होता है 2 to 6 वीक होता है। ऑर्गेनिक लोडिंग जो होती है इसकी 150 किलोग्राम पर डे होती है। स्लज एक्यूमुलेशन रेट होती है 2+5 सेंटीमीटर पर ईयर होती है। बैक्टीरिया रिमूवल एफिशिएंसी 80 to 90% होती है। पैथोजन रिमूवल एफिशिएंसी 99.8% होती है। मिनिमम डेप्थ टू द कैप्ड 0.3 मीटर एज ए फ्री वर्ड होता है। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट चलते हैं। इफ़ वेस्ट वाटर इज डिस्पोज्ड ऑफ इनटू ए नेचुरल स्ट्रीम द मैक्सिमम डिजॉल्व ऑक्सीजन डिप्लीशन अकर इन द जोन दैट इज एक्टिव डिकम्पोजिशन। डिग्रेडेशन नहीं होगा, क्लियर नहीं होगा, रिकवरी भी नहीं होगा, डिग्रेडेशन भी नहीं होगा। इफ़ द वेस्ट वाटर इज डिस्पोज ऑफ इनटू ए नेचुरल स्ट्रीम द मैक्सिमम डिजॉल्व ऑक्सीजन डिप्लीशन अकर इन द जोन ऑफ activated decomposition zone. The dissolved oxygen reduced to zero in the zone of active decomposition. डिप्लीशन हो रहा है ना मैक्सिमम। ठीक है, मेथड टू प्रिवेंट सीवेज स्टिकनेस। कौन सा मेथड है जो सीवेज स्टिकनेस को प्रिवेंट करता है? रोटेशन ऑफ द क्रॉप, प्री ट्रीटमेंट्स ऑफ द सीवेज, सैलो डेप्थ एप्लीकेशन, सारे ही होंगे इसके अंदर। ठीक है, सीवेज सिकनेस की बात करें, व्हेन द सीवेज इज कंटिन्यूसली अप्लाइड ऑन द पीस ऑफ लैंड अन पोर्स और वॉइड soil get clogged and free circulations of the air will be prevented. Methods of air prevented sewage sickness is rotation crop and pre-treatment of sewage is shallow depth is application. Sludge volume index is used to indicate the physical state of the sludge produced. Sludge volume index is used to describe the settling characteristics of sludge produced in the aeration tank in activated sludge process. It is process control parameter to determine the recycle rate of the sludge. Cell purifications of the running stream may be due to sedimentation, coagulations, and dilution, sedimentations and oxidation. तो इसमें आएगा dilution, sedimentation and oxidation. Cell purification process of flowing running water bodies like stream, canal, rivers, etc. may be due to dilution, sedimentation and oxidation. Sludge with the poor settling characteristic is termed as sludge bulking. A bulking sludge is a condition of defined by the solid poor settling characteristics which are either slow or unable to settle at all. Will just float on the top. This can observed by the high SV test result. As general guides, the SV test will indicate the volume of the sludge solid after the 30 minutes of the time periods. C 134 की बात करते हैं। The consider following statement is represent of the incubation bottle of the BOD analysis. That is the C answer. C कैसे होगा देख लेते हैं। The bottle should be equipped with a glass stopper that are ground to be point to the prevent trapping of the air when the stopper is inserted. The bottle should be equipped with some form of water seal to prevent air escape from the bottle during the incubation period. ये नहीं होगा। The bottle should be free from the organic matter, बिल्कुल सही बात है। The cleaning done by the chromic acid or detergent of the good quality and well rinsed thereafter. When trapping of air occur, then dissolved oxygen are changed. Not applied the water seal, then decomposition are not occur. Changing is done properly because the organic matter fragrant, then dissolved oxygen content is changed. In DO test, if the oxygen is present, the manganese iron react with the hydroxide to form of a precipitate by MnOH2 is occur. Its color is white. If oxygen present, the brown precipitate If oxygen is not present, then precipitate is white. Which of following types of sample is relatively employed for the design of wastewater treatment plant? That is a grab sample. इसका आंसर होगा ग्रेब सैंपल. बात करते हैं बेंगलोर मेथड के बारे में. In this method, decomposition of the solid waste is carried out in the absence of oxygen and prevail anaerobic conditions, turning not required, hence more clean than indoor method. The dissolved oxygen content in sewage during the summer as compared to the winter season is less. The dissolved oxygen content in sewage during summer as compared to winter season is less. The dissolved oxygen level in a natural unpolluted water is normally temperature is found to be used in order of. Dissolved level in natural unpolluted water at normal temperature is found to be 10 mg per liter. The maximum quantity of dissolved that can be remain mixed in water, particularly temperature, is called saturation dissolved oxygen, and dissolved saturation 9.1 mg per liter at 20 degrees centigrade and dissolved saturation 8.26 mg at 25 degrees centigrade. The dissolved oxygen is stream is a maximum at a noon. The maximum algae photosynthesis occur at the noon. The dissolved oxygen content in the water is generally determined by the Winkler method, which is oxidation reduced process carried out chemically to liberated iodine amount equivalent to the quantity of dissolved oxygen originally present. The maximum quantity of dissolved that can remain mixed in water, particularly temperature, is called saturation dissolved oxygen. Saturation 9.1 mg at 20 degrees centigrade and dissolved saturation 8.26 mg at 25 degree centigrade. The stoneware pipes are used for the flow of sewage disposal. Stoneware pipes are used for the sewage disposal as they resist to acid and other harmful gases. Which of following chemicals are claimed as advantageous respect of anaerobic sludge digestion compared to the anaerobic sludge digestion? इसका आंसर आएगा 135. कैसे? प्रोडक्शन ऑफ वेल स्टेबलाइज्ड स्लज विद एक्सीलेंट डिवाटरिंग ऑफ prospensity and lower BOD concentration in supernatant liquor and less capital cost. Advantage of anaerobic sludge digestion as compared to the anaerobic sludge digestion as follow. Production of well stabilized sludge with excellent dewatering prospensity. Lower BOD is a supernatant liquid, lesser capital cost. The color of fresh sewage is grey. The fresh sewage is grey in color and pH value is greater than 7. Therefore, it is basic in nature. As time passes through, the sewage become black. The correct pair showing percentage of total solid cow dung and the night soils. That is the correct pair showing the percentage of total solid in cow dung and night soil. C. The total solid in cow dung are about 80 to 20% and night soils are about 11 to 25%. Thickening of sludge by the chemical oxidation. Thickening of sludge by the chemical oxidation is separation of water. Stabilization of sludge by heat or chemical treatment, that is digestion sludge. Condensing of sludge is a separated of water. Reduction of sludge by floating or gravity, that is decrease in volume. The BOD after the filtrations of the sewage from low rate trickling filter is, इसका आंसर होगा V, 80 to 90%. The BOD of effluent obtained after the filtration of sewage from the low rate trickling filter is between 80 to 90% and the effluent obtained is highly nutrified and stabilized. If W is the total BOD, B is the filter volume, F is the recirculation factor, trickling filter, then unit organic loading is obtained by the D, W upon B by F. Organic loading rate is defined as the application of the soluble particulate organic Organic matter. Organic loading is a rate play an effective role in the digestion the whatever best water treatment process and is expressed as a U बराबर W upon BF. U is the organic loading rate, W is the total BOD and filter volume and recirculation factors. The fully mechanized plant involving the process of the mechanical composting in the India does not includes, that is B, Bangalore process. In India, there are following process of mechanical composting: the Dano process, Valsar process, Tolmeche process, and new soil process. Large floating trickling filter, suspended or inorganic matter, the primary clarifier, suspended organic, the screens, dissolved organic grit chamber. The large floating matters are removed by the screen. Grit removal basins such as grit chamber or the grit channel. Nitrous tanks are the sedimentation basin placed in the front of the wastewater treatment plant to remove inorganic particles such as sand, gravel, grit, etc. Suspended organic matter is removed in the primary clarifier. Dissolved organic matter is removed in the trickling filter. Which one of following methods can be employed for the plastic and rubber waste disposal? That is D. Paralysis. Paralysis is the most suitable for the disposal of the plastic rubber waste and does not cause any pollution. It is also get useful output products such as charcoal, bio oil and gases. If the initial dissolved oxygen final dissolve after 5 days incubation is 20 degree in 1.50, dilution sample as 5 milligram per liter and 4 milligram per liter respectively. What is 5-day BOD of the same sample in milligram per liter? That is 100. इनिशियल माइनस फाइनल डायल्यूशन फैक्टर से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद 100 आ जाएगा. द डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ सीवेज टेक्स प्लेस कोजिंग द पंगेंट स्मेल विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कोजेस पंगेंट स्मेल? दैट इज द H2S से पंगेंट स्मेल आती है. ठीक है. हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड. हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड इज ए फ्लेमेबल कलरलेस गैस विद द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑर्डर ऑफ द रोटन एग. It is commonly known as hydrosulfide acid, sewer and stink dump. नेक्स्ट बात करते हैं. The dominating microorganism in an activated sludge process reactor, that is aerobic heterotrophs. In activated sludge process, the treated sewage from other treatment plants thereby which contain microorganisms get mixed with the sewage in the presence of oxygen to degrade. Which of following material is used as a landfill sealant for control gas and leachate movement? That is the bentonite. Bentonite layer is used to work as a seal between the two layers of landfill. So during the monsoon, no wastewater gets seepage infiltrate in the groundwater. The thermal process of waste in the complete absence of oxygen is called pyrolysis. Pyrolysis involves the thermal decomposition of wastewater 540 degree to 1000 degree centigrade in the absence of oxygen, producing gas, solid and liquid reduce, followed by the secondary chamber that normally combust, resulting synthesis gases. In generally, the total solid destroyed percentage of during anaerobic digestion of the solid waste is range between the 40 to 60. In general, the total solid destroyed during the anaerobic digestion of solid waste to range between to 40 to 60 percentage. Presence of nitrogen in wastewater sample is due to the decomposition of the proteins. Presence of the nitrogen is due to decomposition of the protein. What is a 5 days at 20 degree BOD equals to the 3 days at 27 degree of BOD. BOD का फॉर्मूला ये होता है. अब यहाँ पे क्या चीज़ें होती हैं? अगर टेम्परेचर और डे की बात करें 27 पे 3.6 होती है, 30 डिग्री पे 3.16 होती है, 32 पे 2.88 होती है और 35 के ऊपर 2.11 होती है. द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट द कंपेरिजन ऑफ द BOD, COD, थियोरेटिकल THOD एंड 5-day BOD. तो इसमें आ जाएगा, ये नहीं होगा, ये भी नहीं होगा, ये होगा THOD, COD, BOD अल्टीमेट. ये लास्ट के दो हैं, ये सबसे कम होते हैं, ये ज़्यादा होते हैं. ठीक है. तो आप कैसे याद रखना? इट्स सो एबिलिटी ऑफ ऑक्सीजन in sewage 95% in the distilled water. The municipal water has BOD 5 days of 200 milligram per liter. It is proposed to treat and dispose of into a marine environment. For what minimum efficiency should sewage treatment plants should be designed? That is 50%. कैसे हुआ बताते। द टॉलरेंस लिमिट ऑफ BOD5 इन मराइन एनवायरनमेंट डिस्पोजल इज 100 मिलीग्राम पर लीटर। एफिशिएंसी की बात करते हैं तो कैसे होगा 200 माइनस 100 डिवाइड बाई 200 इंटू 100 जैसे 50%। Dispose of into the marine environment, but minimum efficiency should be sewage treatment plants to design. The following data pretend sewage sample. The BOD of a given sewage sample is D. Dilution factor 800. Initial minus into divide by कर देंगे तो ये आ जाएगा आपका ऐसे initial minus final into dilution factor. Next. In a sludge digestion tank, if the moisture content of the sludge reduces 90% to 80%, the percentage decrease in volume of the sludge is percentage decrease in the volume of the sludge will be sludge and its moisture content का relation जो जो आपका दे रखा P1 बराबर 80 दे रखा है, P2 बराबर 90 दे रखा है, तो इसकी इक्वेशन होती है B2 100 माइनस P2 इज इक्वल्स टू B1 100 माइनस P1। ठीक है, तो इसमें अब P2 की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे 80 या P1 की वैल्यू 90 पुट करेंगे। B1 माइनस B2 होता है, B1 बराबर होता है 2V2। परसेंटेज इन डिक्रीज वॉल्यूम बराबर B1 माइनस B2 डिवाइड बाई B1 इंटू 100। तो B1 की जगह हम पुट कर देंगे 2V2 यहाँ से, और ये वैल्यू करके यहाँ पे हम वैल्यू करेंगे तो ये 50% आ जाएगा। चलते हैं नेक्स्ट। एज पर द कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड डिमोलिशंस बेस्ट मैनेजमेंट रूल 2016, द बेस्ट जनरेटर्स who generate more than per project in a month shall segregated the best into the various streams such as concrete, soil, steel, wood and plastic bricks, mortar, and shall submit best water management plan to get appropriate approval from the local authority before starting construction or demolitions or the remolding work, that is 300 tons about and greater than 300 ton waste generated during the construction were required permit for local authority as per Constructions and Demolitions Waste Management Act 2016। Which one following is responsible of the overall monitoring of the implementations of the Solid Waste Management Rule 2016 in India? That's the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Solid Waste Management, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. In order to prevent pollution from landfill operation, which following provisions are supposed to be the made? The stormwater drain shall be designed and constructed in such a way that surface runoff water is diverted from the landfilling sites. ये बिल्कुल नहीं होगा रे। The non-permeable lining नहीं गलत नहीं है, सही है। Diverted from the landfill site and leached from the solid waste location do not get mixed with the surface, ये सही होगा। Non-permeable lining system should be provided at the base and wall of the waste disposal area. Provision of the management of the leachate including collection and treatment shall be made। तो इसमें डी होगा। In order to prevent pollution from the landfilling in a stormwater drain, design and construct such a way that it cannot be mixed with surface runoff water. Non-permeable lining system should be provided at the base wall, the waste disposal area. Provision of management of leachate including and collection of the treatment shall be made. As per Solid Waste Management Rules 2016, landfill sites shall be 100 meter away from the river, 200 meter away from the pond, 200 meter away from the Himalaya high base and habitations and public park and water supply cells. That is D आ जाएगा। Solid waste management should be 100 meter from river, 200 from the ponds, highway, habitat, parks and water supply, 200 kilometer airport and airways. Before stabilizing any landfill site, baseline data. Groundwater quality in the sea shall be collected, kept and recorded for the future reference. The groundwater quality within the periphery of the landfill sites shall be periodically monitored, cover the different season in the years, that is 50 meters. Before landfillings, a baseline or the conditions area that data should be taken after the landfillings about 50 meters of the periphery of the landfilling should be chalked near the groundwater every season in the years. Ambient air quality at the landfill site shall be meet the standard prescribed by the Central Pollution Control Boards. is a B, industrial area. The most closure are the landfill sites shall be conducted for the leachate, that is 15 years. After landfilling cost closure check done at 15 years. The raw domestic sewage mostly contains the following form of the nitrogen, that is B, organic N and ammonia N. Organic N and ammonia N are the form of the nitrogen the domestic sewage. Which of following the physical characteristics municipal solid waste, that is the field capacity. The field capacity is the physical characteristics of the municipal solid waste. Lateral sewer is a sewer which collects sewage directly from the house. Lateral sewer is a sewer which collects sewage directly from the houses. As per the 1742-1982 recommended the spacing of the manhole straight reaches from the size of sewer having up to 0.6 meter deep, 75 meters. The recommended spacing manholes the straight reaches the sewage sewer the having diameter up to the 0.6 meter and the 75 mm. The town dispose of its sewage is land by treatment process with 150 hectares with a designated 50% of the rotation. If the rate of the supply 150 liter per day and 75% water is converted into sewage, its pollution is 50,000. Consuming capacity of soil will be 56,250. कैसे हुआ डेली कंजम्पशन मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे लीटर से, यह जाएगा 7500 क्यूबिक मीटर पर डे. अमाउंट ऑफ सीवेज प्रोड्यूस इतना हो जाएगा 0.75 से लेके 7500, तो 5625 क्यूबिक पर डे हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो 50% एडिशनल रिजर्व एरिया 150 डिवाइडेड बाई 1.5 कंज्यूमिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ सॉइल इतनी हो जाएगी. An engineering facility for the disposal of the municipal solid waste dumping in the soil is called sanitary landfill. A landfill is an engineering pit in which the layers solids waste are filled, compacted, and converted final disposal. It is lined at the bottom of the prevent ground pollutions. Which of following methods is not used for the disposal of hospital waste, that is landfillings. Landfilling method is used for the disposal of hospital waste. Landfilling in this method, refuse disposal refer is carried and dumped into the lower laying areas in layer 0.3 meter से लेके 0.6 meter is more. Under engineering operation, design operate according to the acceptable standard. The landfilling operation is established in biological methods best treatment, since the best stabilizing by anaerobic as well as anaerobic bacteria process. इंसिनरेशन की बात करते हैं तो बर्निंग इन द रिफ्यूज एट हाई टेम्परेचर इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द एयर ऑक्सीजन विच हैज हाईली कैलोरिफिक वैल्यू फर्नेस कॉल्ड इंसिनरेशन. इट इज सैनिटरी मेथड, लेस स्पेस इज रिक्वायर्ड एंड preferable in big cities, no odor trouble, lesser time for the decompositions. In activated sludge process, the combinations of the liquid and microorganisms undergoing the aeration is known as mixed liquor. In an activated sludge process, the combination of the liquid and microorganisms undergoing the aeration is known as mixed liquor. An 8-inch diameter cast iron sewer is to be set at a grade of 1 meter fall from the 500 meter length. What will be the velocity of flow when it is flowing full? देख लेते हैं. क्या दिया गया है, डायमीटर दी गई है 8 इंच, तो 8 को डिवाइड बाई 12 से कर देंगे. स्लोप जो है 1:500 है. वेलोसिटी निकालनी है. दूसरी जो 8.35 आर की पावर 2/3, इसकी बार 1/2. वेटेड पैरामीटर पाई डी होता है. हाइड्रोलिक रेडियस की बात करें तो ये हो जाएगा dy/4. बी बराबर 83.5 इंटू 1/6 की पावर 2/3, 1/500 की पावर 1/2. द म्यूनसिपल सॉलिड वेस्ट डज नॉट नॉर्मली इंक्लूडेड विच ऑफ फॉलोइंग type of generated by the communities. Industrial waste. The municipal solid waste include institutional wastes, non-hazardous waste, demolitions waste, and municipal service. The minimum moisture content usually recommended highly rate composting of the municipal solid waste management, that is 50 to 55%. The minimum moisture content usually recommended for the high rate composting of the municipal solid waste management is 50 to 55%. Select the correct statement from the followings, that is D. The old conservancy system was definitely better than water carried sewage system. द कंजर्वेंसी सिस्टम की बात करें, दिस इज एन ओल्ड सिस्टम इन विच द वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ वेस्ट द हाई सोइल garbage collect separately in basins or deposit in the pools and pits, then removed periodically at least in 24 hours. This system is known as dry system. A water carriage system, the collection, convenience and disposal of various types waste carried out with the help of the water. Which of following unit work in the anaerobic conditions? That is A. Sludge digestion tank. Treatment unit which work on the reduction alone anaerobic decomposition are septic tank, IMF tank, sludge digestion tank, and anaerobic lagoons. When the solids is disposed of and land is open dump, it caused bad impact on the environment. Mentioned below are few such impact. Choose one which does not belong to the same category. Acidity to surrounding soil. When solid waste is disposed of on land in dump areas, it caused bad impact on the environment. The mentioned below are few such impacts. Choose the one which does not belongs to the same category. When solid waste is disposed of on the land, open dump is caused acidity in the surrounding soil. What is the main factor for the controlling microbial digestions and the bioreactors of the landfill? That is the moisture. Moisture is the main factor of the controlling microbial digestions and bioreactors of the landfill. The chemical energy contained in an algal cell average how many calories per gram algae? That is B. 6000 calories per gram of the algae. The chemical energy contained in the algal cell averages 600 calories per gram algae. In order to design wastewater disposal system, locality important informations to be collected. That is D. Record of the manipulation and the changes, water consumptions and the sewage flow, hydrological data. In order to design wastewater disposal system, locality important information to be recovered of the population of its change, water consuming rate of the sewage flow and hydrological data. For sewage disposal in the best water bodies without any treatment, the minimum available dilution level should be 1 in 500. अब बात करते हैं डायलूशन फैक्टर और स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ द प्योरिफिकेशन रिक्वायर्ड के बारे में. इफ सीवेज disposal in the best sewage disposal for sewage disposal in a water body without any treatment, the minimum available dilution level should be in 1 in 500. Standard dilution based on the Royal Commission's report. The dilution factor की बात करते हैं तो above 500 the standard purification required, no treatment is required. कब the above 500 आता था. The raw sewage can be directly discharged into the volume of the dilution water. अब बात करते हैं कि dilution factor 300 से लेकर 500 के बीच में. तो primary treatment such as plan sedimentation should be given to the sewage and the effluent should not contain suspended solid more than the 150 ppm. अगर बात करते हैं 150 to 300 के बीच में तो स्टैंडर्ड प्योरिफिकेशन रिक्वायर्ड होगा. ट्रीटमेंट सच एज सेडिमेंटेशन, स्क्रीनिंग, एसेंशियली केमिकल प्रेसिपिटेशन रिक्वायर्ड. द सीवेज एफ्लुएंट शुड नॉट कंटेन सस्पेंडेड सॉलिड मोर देन 660 ppm. अगर लेस देन 150 है तो कंप्लीट थ्रो ट्रीटमेंट शुड बी गिवन टू द सीवेज. द सीवेज एफ्लुएंट शुड नॉट कंटेन सस्पेंडेड सॉलिड मोर देन 30 ppm and it's 5 days. BOD 18.3 degrees centigrade should not exceed 20 ppm. The relative stability of sewage sample whose dissolved oxygen is same is total oxygen required to satisfy the BOD. That is the Hunt rate. The relative stability in sewage sample whose dissolved oxygen is the same as the total oxygen required to satisfy BOD. The relative stability of the sewage sample whose dissolved oxygen is same as the total oxygen required satisfied to BOD is 100. The volume in millimeters occupied in 1 gram of the solid is activated such mixed liquid for the 30 minutes and 100 millimeters of the grounded cylinder is known as sludge volume index. The volume in milligram per liter occupied by 1 gram of solid in activated sludge mixed liquid for 30 minutes in a 100 milligram graduated cylinder is known as sludge volume index. SBI of B upon X. Volume of solid and mass of biomass. SBI B upon X into 100 milligram per liter होता है. Biochemical oxygen demand BOD of safe drinking water is a 0. BOD for the safe drinking water must be 0. The following gas in the principal organic content of the best water, that is methane. Methane CH4 gas which is principal byproduct of anaerobic decomposition of the organic content in waste water. It is around 60%. स्टेटमेंट देखते हैं. द फिल्ड कैपेसिटी ऑफ म्यूनसिपल सॉलिड वेस्ट इज टोटल मॉइस्चर दैट कैन बी रिटेन्ड इन ए बेस्ट सैंपल ग्रेविटी. द फिल्ड कैपेसिटी ऑफ द म्यूनसिपल सॉलिड वेस्ट इज critical importance in determining the volume of leachate fields. That is B. The both statements A and seconds are individually true but not correct explanation to each other. The filled capacity of municipal solid waste is the total moisture that can be retained in the waste sample against the gravity. The filled capacity of municipal solid waste is of critical importance in determining the volume of leachate in landfill. Filled capacity of municipal solid waste is the moisture retained against the force of gravity. Filled capacity is of prime importance while finding the volume of leachate index. Environmental flow of a river refer to the quantity, quality and timing of the flow. The time required of the river to sustain the river ecosystem required maintain healthy ecological condition in command area of a river development project generated by the ecosystem of the catchment of the river as the minimum requirement to support the cultural practice of the community living on the bank of the river. The environmental flow इसमें आ जाएगा फर्स्ट. The environment flow desirable, the quantity of timing and quality of water flow required to sustain fresh water and estuarine ecosystem and human livelihood well-being to depends upon the ecosystem. Environmental flow is a system of the managing the quantity, timing, quality, water flow with a dam, and the goal of sustainable fresh water and estuarine ecosystems, human livelihood that depends on them. Required to maintain healthy ecological condition. Ecology generate the ecosystem. No, maintain requirement of support the cultural practice. The moisture content of the certain municipal solid waste. The moisture contents of the certain municipal solid waste with following compositions will be फूड वेस्ट ड्राई इतना है, पेपर का इतना है, ड्राई वेट इतना है, यार्ड वेस्ट इतना है, अदर इतना है. तो बात करते हैं म्यूनसिपल सॉलिड वेस्ट. टोटल वेट कितना हो गया 10, 35, 20, 35. टोटल वेट 100 यूनिट. ड्राई यूनिट वेट 6, 30, 10 एंड 20. ड्राई यूनिट वेट 63. तो मॉइस्चर कंटेंट 100 माइनस 63 डिवाइड बाई 100. मॉइस्चर कंटेंट 37 डिवाइड बाई 100 बाई 37%. Consider the following statement regarding the pyrolysis. It is an irreversible chemical change brought about by the action of heat in oxygen free atmosphere. ठीक है, तो ये क्या होगा, ये भी सही होगा. The range of temperature 500 डिग्री टू irreversible है बेटे. क्या सो रहा है क्या, कुछ भी बोल रहा है. The range of temperature is 500 degree to 1000 degree centigrade. The internal heating caused by the organic matter is to decompose physical and chemical rather than burn. It is highly exothermic process. क्या नहीं हो सकती, pyrolysis नहीं होती highly exothermic. तो इसमें आंसर 1, 2, 3. Pyrolysis is a burning in the absence of the air is O2 free conditions of the elevated temperature to the bring physical and chemical change of the plastic and rubber waste. It is an endothermic process in the temperature range 500 degree to 1000 degree. Consider the following statement regarding the contact stabilization process. तो इसमें क्या होगा, statement regarding contact stabilizing process. Primary settling tank is not required in some cases. BOD removal occur in 2 stages. Aeration volume required are approximately 50% of those of a conventional or tapered aeration plant. ये तो सही होगा. BOD removal occur in 2 stage, ये भी सही होगा. And settling tank is not required for some cases. स्टेबलाइजेशन के लिए। तो इसका आंसर कौन सा है? रिटर्न टू द स्लज एरिएटेड फॉर द 30 मिनट टू द 90 मिनट इन स्लज एरिएशन, ये सही होगा। कॉन्टैक्ट स्टेबलाइजेशन इज द प्रोसेस where the return sludge is aerated to 3 to 6 hours before taking back to the aeration tank. This reduced aeration period thus reduce volume of aeration tank, and there is possibility of BOD reduction in two stages is stabilization unit and aeration tanks. The minimum moisture, ये कट रहा है, the minimum moisture required for the high composting municipal solid waste is 50 to 55%. The characteristics of the fresh septic sewage respectively are alkaline and acidic. The characteristics of sewage, septic sewage, alkaline and acidic in respectively. What is the order of waste management hierarchy from most of the leachate? That is the prevention of the reuse, recycled and disposal. Order of the best management hierarchy from the most of the leachate forward in prevention of reuse, recycle and disposals. अब बात करते हैं ऑर्गेनिक मैटर विच कैन डिकम्पोज बाय द बैक्टीरियल इज नोन एज बायोडिग्रेडेबल ऑर्गेनिक मैटर। ऑर्गेनिक मैटर विच कैन बी डिकम्पोज बाय बैक्टीरिया इज नोन एज बायोडिग्रेडेबल ऑर्गेनिक मैटर। यूट्रोफिकेशन एंड डिकम्पोजर की बात करते हैं, प्रोसेस ऑफ टू मैनी प्लांट्स ग्रोइंग ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द रिवर लैक ऑफ्टन बिकॉज ऑफ केमिकल दैट आर यूज टू हेल्प crop grow have been carried out by the rain. The decomposers are organics that break down dead decaying organisms, and doing so they carry out the process of possible by only certain kingdoms including fungi. Example of the decomposition. Look at the following information for the comparatively biological reactor. Tank volume 200 meter cube, flow rate 500 meter cube per day, and incoming substract concentration is 95 milligram. इनको आपको सॉल्व करना होगा, मैं बता दूंगा आपको कैसे सॉल्व करना है। Which of following chemical parameters associate with the organic content of the water? बायोकेमिकल ऑक्सीजन डिमांड, केमिकल ऑक्सीजन डिमांड, ये दोनों जो होते हैं ऑर्गेनिक कॉन्टेक्ट होते हैं, कंटेंट होता है वाटर के। देर आर 40 मिलियंस ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स नोन एज एनवायरमेंटल। दीज पैरामीटर्स सेलेक्ट इफेक्ट द मटेरियल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स वन और मोर सबस्टेंसेस। BOD indicate the content of oxygen needed to decompose organic compounds in wastewater by bacteria. COD is a measure of the capacity of water to consume oxygen during the decomposition of organic matter of the oxidation in organic chemicals such as ammonia and nitrogen. TOD, according to the name, the parameter defines the total oxygen demand of the water sample. The content of the TOC water sample reflects the organic contamination. As name of the parameter already suggested, decompose has to be detected total organic carbons of the sample. नेक्स्ट जो आप पढ़ेंगे वो ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ वाटर पढ़ेंगे। ये आपका ख़त्म हो गया।